guys, so we are here at Dodge to get parts. How's it going? Perfect. I did not expect them to come in that quick, but they did. Anyways, so obviously I'm here at Dodge. I'm ordering the parts to put the car back together. I don't see any. I was looking to see if they had some more ScatPack hats or something. I'm not seeing nothing. Just the Mopar hat. Nothing. Seat protectors. Cool. Anyways, we're gonna get the all of the relevant part prices and then submit it so we can put the car together. All right, guys, so we're back in, and so major shout out to, I think you say it, Huffings, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram in Lewisville, Texas. It's a suburb of Dallas. Major, wow, my hair looks like a disaster. Major shout out to them. So they got the parts list that I needed. And basically the front door, we're gonna look at it here. Front door trim, here, let me turn it around. So basically front door trim, we're looking at, for this door card, we're looking at $1,750.
New text message from +1 83386710005.
Okay. We're looking at this one here, $1,750. On this one, $1,750. The other front door, which would be that one right there, we're looking at $1,750. So that by itself is expensive. The cover here by the mirror, there's two pieces, I guess, that go on this right here. Can you guys see that? That's the part that's missing. We're looking at $45 or $15. Anyways, full parts to do this repair, we're looking at $3,854.45. That's it. That's how much it's going to cost for me to get my car back to where I want it. Now, they gave me another estimate, because remember they said, remember the body shop was like, yo, we can't get the seats. The seat covers are impossible to get. Well, they already have the top parts of my seats according to according to Collision Works. They already got the top parts. They just couldn't get the armrest and the other pieces. Well, look at this. Wow, shocking. They can have this in 3 days. And this is the caramel seat, covered seats. You can see it right here. All the different parts, all the little seat covers. And look at that. Total cost for those seats, $3,052.49. Now, I'm not stupid. I know that more than likely the body shop is looking to buy these seat covers for less. They're looking to buy these seat covers for cheap, and that's why they don't have them. That's my guess. My guess is they didn't want to pay full price at a dealer, and they wanted to go through like National Warehouse or a bunch of other Mopar parts dealers to try to get it for less. And I'm not mad at them for that, but when you have a customer and you're telling them that, you know, my seats aren't going to be done until Thanksgiving now, and we've already had all the other issues with my car, I'm kind of at a point where I'm going to be like, put the pieces of the seats on that you have now. I can submit these 2 receipts to USAA, and USAA can just pay me the $6 grand. I'll put it together, and I'll put my own goddamn car together. You know, now the sucky part is that does not include fixing the paint, which I got an estimate for that, and it was much better than I thought. So the estimate to fix the paint on my car, basically what they said with the body shop that looked at the vehicle was they put an extra coat, a clear coat on the areas that they repaired, more than what the factory uses, right? I guess the factory uses 2 coats of clear, and maybe this body shop he thinks used 3 or maybe even 4. I don't know. But he said it would explain the bubbles, the exploding bubbles from underneath, because they didn't wait for it to cure before they sprayed another coat. He said it explains the trash in the clear coat and all of that. So I don't know. To repair it, and that's them basically hitting this with some kind of very heavy cutting compound, or wet sanding it and cutting this clear down. Basically, they said they would cut it down with a high speed, with some kind of high speed buffing machine. This is what the body shop said. They'd clean it up, clean the whole car, get the other areas where there may be like nicks and everything. They're going to do the whole car, and then respray. They're going to basically respray the whole car with that coat of clear, which should make all of the colors and stuff match. And shocker, it's like $1,200. I can't beat that. Now check this out. That means right now that we're looking at $6 grand plus the repair. We're looking at like $7,000. Now the insurance company's paid what, 15 and some change already. I don't know. Being that I decided to keep the vehicle, I don't know if they're going to do that. More than likely, I have a feeling that my insurance company is going to give the body shop the opportunity to go ahead and get my seats done, and they'll probably get some of that money back from them for what they did, because they're going to have to pay another shop to fix it. That's my guess. Your guess is as good as mine. Body shop guys, you've been in my comments and you've been telling me how the process works, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that works at a body shop or owns a body shop that have been in my comments and telling me like the right things to say and what to do with my insurance company. And I appreciate y'all, because I don't know shit about body work, I'm gonna be honest, except for I have eyes. I got these right here, and I can see when shit looks bad. Okay, and it didn't look good in any way, shape, or form. It didn't look good at all. And there's other stuff around the taillight, those gaskets and stuff. There's like another gasket or something that goes in there, which is, he said, look, they can't even order that right now. He was like, you might have to go to a junkyard and see if you can find those. They don't even, he's like, it's not even, they don't even have a date to order those. So I can understand why maybe the body shop didn't put those in, but they should have put it on paper that they were going to order it later or something for me. But so where we're at now is, you know, the tint's done. This window is replaced and tinted. Tint's all done on the car. Now this was a window that should have been replaced by the insurance, not the insurance company, by the body shop, and they didn't do it. Luckily for me, it's actual Mopar glass. You guys can see that right there. I didn't have to pay for that window, and that's what a sponsorship, which you guys will see coming up here soon. I already disclosed it to my insurance company. They know it's not the stock window. In fact, I think it even had like a VIN number at the very bottom of the window that was etched into it, that doesn't match my car. But I got a fresh window. It's all tinted. You can see the car is all tinted. It's all put back together that ways, minus, you know, not having seats in an interior. So now I submit this to them, and it basically falls back on USAA if they're gonna pay me and let me fix my car, which I think they will. I mean, they're not stupid. I know the adjusters and other people have been looking at my videos and been like, okay, I mean, he's not an idiot, he's competent. I can't do the body work. Obviously that body shop will get the $1,200 to like fix this clear coat and fix the damn paint job on this car and try to get rid of the scratches and other stuff that they've put on the car while it was in their custody. There is a video coming out for you guys. I will say this, somebody from Collision Works did reach out for me from corporate. I am going to give them the opportunity of what they said and all of that, and I'm going to do a separate video on that. You guys will see that soon. But anyways, there you have it. You've seen the parts. You know what we're doing. You know what parts, how much the parts are going to cost and how much it's going to cost for me to put this car back together. Now you see it in black and white on paper. That's what it's going to cost for me to get this car back to where I want it. Okay, and you know, like I already told my insurance company, I'm not cool. I don't want the car going back to these people, man. And I know that the corporate was like, yo, if you come up to Kansas, we know we saw your channel, we know you're building a house up here and shit. Like, if you want to bring it up here to Kansas, we'll make it right. And it's not about me being without the car again. It's just that I know, okay, you're going to tell me you're going to have it for another month and you're going to fix it, and then it becomes 2 months, and I'm done, man. I've lost enough money by not having this car. I've missed out on events, content. So much money I've lost by not having the car. And then if I wanted to sell it, like I can't even sell my damn car because I'm missing all of this, because I could have cashed in. Y'all know at one point David Stanley was going to offer me almost $50,800 for this car, and I paid $39,900 for it. Come on, man. You know, plus taxes and fees or whatever, I think it ended up being like $42,000 or something like that. But the fact that I was going to get that much more than what I paid for the car, you know, and now I got to miss out on that. I'm going to keep it. Obviously, I'm going to keep the car. So I want to make it the way I want. So there's other things we're going to do. You know, this is still, I got to really, that's not supposed to be like that. We'll have to figure out what's going on with that in an upcoming video. And we're probably going to put the starlights in here at some point. So I'm gonna, oh wow, look, I just noticed this. Look at this. They didn't even look at this. I just now noticed this right now. Look, hear it? They did not. Wow, how do you not snap the damn? Every day, guys, every friggin' day I'm finding something else that they didn't do right. Like my seat belts. You know, my seat belts don't lock, right? They're not safe. If I got into an accident, the seat belt would do nothing for me. That's a safety concern. Like, I could jump on the brakes hard, and these would just do this. They don't do shit. They won't, like, you know, they're supposed to lock, right? They're supposed to lock. So, like, if you pull on them really quick or something happens and there's an accident, they're supposed to, oh, there it is. It locked out that time. Look at that. Yay! But they're supposed to lock out every time. And they're not, because when I'm driving, you can actually hear there's parts of the mechanism in there just slapping around. Blum, 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 blum. That they didn't bolt in. Yeah. So, look, man, it is what it is. That's the status. That's what's going on. That's what it's going to cost for parts for me to put the car back together. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm going to document this full process as I continue to rebuild the Green Monster and I get her back to her former glory. And I'm going to build it. I can't even say that. I was going to say I was going to build it back better, but I'm not. I can't say that. We're going to build it. We're going to make it better than it was before. Can I say that? We're going to make it better than it was before. I already know the comments. I already know. Oh, the comments are going to be savage. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Next time on TK's Garage, one of the videos we'll be dropping here in the next day or so. Yes, had a wonderful interaction with law enforcement this morning after we caught somebody trying to use a shim to break into the car again. Needless to say, it didn't go well for that individual. The individual was armed and he did reach for something. Anyways, I'm going to leave all of that for the next video or one of these upcoming videos. Don't miss it.